Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to invite friends on FIFA 23. So from here, you will just have to tap on this one here at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, so you would be able to see this page here. And then from that, you'll just have to tap on the player search. And then as you can see here, it's the friend request from your friend. So when you tap on friends, so you'll be able to see your friends list here. Now just tap on the play modes. Then tap on quick play modes. And then tap on online friendlies. Okay, so when you tap on that, you'll be able to see your friends here that you can play with online. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.